Hola and welcome to Ready Steady Eat. Today we're going to go to Spain and try out a fantastic summer special soup called the Gaspacho. What we need to do is, let's start with first putting our tomatoes into the mixer. I've added the cucumber. To that I'm adding the red peppers, the diced onions, the 200 ml veg stock. Let's pulse this a bit. To this I'm adding my Worcester sauce. Now this is as per taste. You can add as much as you like according to your taste. Some pepper and a good pinch of salt. Let's pulse it up again. To this we'll add a good dash of red wine vinegar, some olive oil. I like my soup my Gaspacho a bit chunky. So this is the kind of consistency that we are looking at. So let's go and try it. Perfect. So the Gaspacho is ready now. Let's chill it for 2 hours at least till it becomes nice and cold, and then we are ready to plate it up. Right, so the Gaspacho is well chilled. I kept it for about 3.5 hours because I like it really chilled. Let's plate this soup up so it can be ready to be served. Drizzle a little bit of olive oil, a few tomatoes, fresh mint, and there we have our Gaspacho ready to be served. So I hope you try this recipe back at home and do leave me back your comments. I would love to read them. And if you've liked the recipe that I've shown you today, don't forget to press the like button down. Do not forget to subscribe to Ready Steady Eat.